Shout out to all the state troopers in Knoxville, Tennessee that helped out all those semi truck drivers on the I-75 that were stuck yesterday. I thought that was super cool. We appreciate you. Question of the day, mother truckers. How many of you actually have ever gotten help from a state trooper, officer, or anything like that? Because we gotta shine some positivity today. You know, it always seems like there's just so much negativity out there. So, mother truckers, comment this down below and let me know if a state trooper or DOT officer has ever helped you out. So today I want to give props to three people, a Jacob Weiser, a Ryan Fletcher, and a Emma J. Muncie. And the reason why is because on their shift yesterday, they didn't have to help truck drivers, but they did. You know, Jacob Weiser took the shovel of a DOT person and basically started shoveling out 2 semi-trucks. And on his shift, he shoveled out 14 vehicles total. You know, here's a picture of that right here. Later on, Emma and Ryan Fletcher see this truck driver struggling to go up the hill. So what do? They give him a little push.
All right, go.
Ready? Go ahead.
And they were doing this all day long on their shift yesterday, and I just thought that was so great, and I wanted to show this positivity that we are all here to do a job, and there are people that love us truck drivers. So mother truckers, comment down below. But you know, to Jacob Weiser, Ryan Fletcher, Emma Muncie, you know, we appreciate you, we love you, and thank you for your support. We see you, and you know, we appreciate you helping us truck drivers, you know, get home safe to our families.